Hi, so in this video, we'll quickly see how you can add reviews to your Shopify website. So adding reviews to your Shopify website will actually help you increasing trust and getting more customers. So for this example, let's look at how you can do this with a free app called Famewall. So Famewall gives you the option to collect reviews from your customers and also embed them using widgets on your website, like so, as you can see over here. So without further ado, let me just jump right into how you can do it with Famewall for free. So once you log in and create an account on Famewall, you can head over and create a wall in Famewall, which is basically a project which contains all your reviews. So let me get into an already created wall. And as you can see, there are a lot of reviews which I've collected using this platform for our own website, which is Famewall. So if you're starting fresh, you can use the collection page over here. And using the collection page, you can start to collect text reviews, video reviews, audio, or image, even if you have 0 reviews. So you can create a link like so, and then you can create a custom domain for this link too, and then share this link with your customers who are on Shopify using the email integration, which is already available for you on Shopify. So you can start collecting reviews using this if you have 0 reviews. And there are plenty of options to customize this collection page, like having an incentive discount. And you can also personalize the collection page by recording a personalized video on the home page. So once that is done, you can then head over to the testimonial widget over here. So the testimonial widget is the part which will be embedded on your Shopify website. And as you can see, there are a lot of customization options like customizing the color, showing the categories, and changing the appearance of the widgets like so. So that is about the customization part. So let me just quickly jump into the get embed section here. So once you're done with the widget, you'll have the get embed code over here. So the first time you will need to publish this widget. So let me just show you how it looks. So the first time it'll look like this, then you have to publish the widget. And then once you've published the widget, you'll get the embed code over here. Copy the embed code. And if you want a detailed guide, there's a Shopify guide, but I'll walk you through how it's done on Shopify directly. So let me get to the store on Shopify. So the homepage is what you see on Shopify. Get to your online store. And once the online store opens up, click on Edit Theme. So here, once you come in, you'll be able to see the Shopify store. And what happens is you can see all the different sections here. Now let's add a section on the specific place where you want to add your reviews. Click on Add Section. In this example, let me add it after the featured collection. I'll click on Add Section and then search for liquid. It's custom liquid. So on this custom liquid, paste the embed code which we copied on Famewall. That is, you have the embed code over here, right? When we collected the reviews. So just copy that code and paste it over here. And that's it. So the reviews go live on your page. Let me just click on save. So that's it. So the reviews go live on your homepage and it gives a native experience and you don't have to do anything further. Hope you found this video useful. You can subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more helpful guides and tutorials on how you can collect the best reviews. If you want to know how you can ask for reviews, you can click on the video over here. And if you want to add Google reviews to your website, this is how you can do it. Check out the video too and leave a like if you like this guide.